County in northeastern Georgia, northern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, western Greene County in east-central Georgia, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hard Labor Creek State Park, 8 miles northwest of Madison, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rutledge, North High Shoals, Bostwick, Bishop, Ebenezer, Hard Labor Creek State Park, Farmington, and Appalachia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see roof damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 1 p.m. in Atlanta, it was cloudy. 84 degrees, dew point 71, relative humidity 65%. Wind southwest at 5 miles an hour. Pressure was 30.18 inches and falling. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, northern Morgan County in north central Georgia.
Okay. Now we just gotta wait 45 minutes for another one.